Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create and add forms to your sheets on Smartsheet so that your workspace members, for example, coworkers, contacts and friends, may work with these forms and fill them in. So let us dive right into it. So guys, there are two different ways how you can do this. In the first step, head over to Smartsheet, of course, and log into your account. And as you can see, I already created that example form here. So one way would be to simply navigate to the given form if you have already created it by expanding the given project you added the form to. I'm going to show you just in a moment how to create them step by step. So let's assume you have already created one. Simply expand that menu here, and you will see the given form listed under your project sheet. And to edit it, simply click into that button here in the top right corner, Edit, to edit your sheet. However, guys, if you haven't done that yet, and if you'd like to start with a completely new form, simply follow our instructions. So what you want to do is head over to your sheet. Let me left click into this one here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click into Forms next to File here at the top. And after that, select Create Form. You can also manage your already created forms if you like, or over your mouse over the given form here, click into these three dots, for example, and after that, copy the link or edit it. So to create a completely new one, guys, click into Forms here, click into Create Form there, and after that, start customizing your form. Its looks and the fields first, and after that, we will go also through the form settings. So here, make, for example, give it a title in the top right, like for example, I don't know. Let me leave it at let me change to rename it to my form, because I'm not being too creative right now. And what you want to do is, for example, customize your title. You may apply bold letters, italic letters, underline, underscore, change the alignment, and so on and so forth. Then you may describe it below. Now, if you like to hide your title and description, guys, you may enable this here, and that's going to hide your title. So if you'd like to describe your form, simply click into that field here and enter your description, like my form description ABC 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. You will see the preview here. So here you may, for instance, customize the form background by clicking into this button. However, guys, as you can see, that feature is not available from my current membership. You may change also your logo here at the top. That is not available either for me, but yeah, you could do this here, for example, by clicking into change. And after that, guys, you may, for example, add more sections to your form by clicking into that plus button here and add a specific field, like for example, a drop-down list, a date, checkboxes, and so on and so forth. Now, let me leave it at or with these default fields here. So simply go through each field and customize it here to the right. Let me go, for example, with that form here. You may click into it and to the right, select or edit the field, change the name, change the field type, click into OK here. And after that, you may also customize these settings here, like the validation, for example, what needs to be done, what needs to be entered, like email, for instance, or percentage, and so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, guys, that's basically how a form might look like. What if you'd like to add a new field? Simply click into this button here to the left, new field, and enter a field, or as previously mentioned, simply click into one of these plus buttons here. So let me add, for instance, a drop-down list as a new field. Click into it, customize it, for example, allow multiple values per cell if you like, or restrict to list values only. So you may go through these settings here, click into OK. Oh, let me give it a name too. Drop down, for example, drop down list or something like that. Click into OK. And that is going to add the given field to your list of fields here. So you may simply left click into it and drag and drop it here onto your form. You may also change the order, of course, by simply left clicking into the given field and by changing the position. It is very intuitive, as you can see, guys. You can also delete any fields you don't want to be included into your form by clicking into that trash icon here, remove icon, and there you go. So that's how you can clear your form. 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. You can add as many fields as you like. Of course, forms are not endless, so you will not have endless space, but you can add theoretically as much or as many as you like. You can also click into add all here to add all fields at once, or remove all if you like. You may add dividers, for example, just like that. You may add a heading and a description, and also the file upload as a form element by clicking into it. And that will give your forum participants, like your workspace members, for example, the opportunity to upload files like submit work, for instance, and so on and so forth. So that's how you customize the looks of your form and these fields. Now let me head over to the settings. Let me also save these changes just in case by clicking into save in the top right. There you go, these form changes have been saved. And here into settings, guys, you may, for instance, go through the form submission settings, for example, or enable email notifications for submissions, change the theme and for example, that layout here, and so on and so forth. So guys, once you're ready, let me just head back to form here. Once you're ready, make sure that your form is active here. You may, of course, switch from inactive to active. You may open the form, share it, and if you click on save, guys, it will be, the given form will be saved within the given sheet here under your given sheet name. You may share it also by clicking into share form here, and after that, send an email notification or invitation to the given recipient to participate in that form. For example, enter the email address here, the subject, the message, CC. You may use a shareable link, for example, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. Let's leave it at that. That's how you create and add forms to your project sheets on Smartsheet. That's how your form would look like, as you can see. And as previously mentioned, guys, if you'd like to edit your already created form, simply click into edit here in the top right to return to that editing menu here. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.